up, guys? Forgot to do an intro. This sneaker is the Reebok Club C R.A.D edition. So thanks for clicking into the B-roll.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe.
So guys, what this sneaker is, beautiful little piece as you can see right here. Reebok Club C's, one of my favorite models out there. This one right here is the special R.A.D or R.A.D edition. Everyone knows this logo right here. What does it remind you of? The Dare logo. It's the same exact thing. What R.A.D stands for is Reebok Advanced Design, and it has in small print skateboard BMX. So this one here is just kind of made a little more tougher and thicker and get a little more better materials, I'd say, than just a regular like Club C vintage or, you know, any really Club C period. It's got a really nice thick gray leather all over the top with accents of suede on the toe and on the back heel. It also has plenty of hits of pink along the Reebok on the side, the Reebok on the back, and the little kind of pull tab on the tongue on the front. It's got the red and blue for the R.A.D logo with a little border of leather, a little extra, you know, fun hit. Black tongue. I put the black matching laces in with it. Got a nice cream midsole with the outsole. And then that kind of really cool, random, kind of greenish aqua strip that goes all around the ankle area. Guys, it's a clean shoe. It's got a little bit of color for extra hits, but you can never go wrong with gray on a sneaker. You can never go wrong with the cream, kind of off-white outsole. Those are the absolute best. There's not too much to really talk about or say about this shoe. It's pretty self-explanatory, super clean, super simple. I mean, I'm not really promoting it for skateboarding or BMX because I don't do either one of those things, so I can't speak on behalf on if it's a good thing for that. So highly recommend. I got mine. I got super lucky at Marshall's for $22. You can find them, I think, online in the ballpark of 50, 60, you know, check eBay, maybe Paxson has them, those kind of places, but highly recommend really just any Club C, but these ones here, super clean colorway. Kind of gives me little vibes of the Tom and Jerry Club C if you haven't seen that one, but super sick, super cool, recommend highly. I hope you guys enjoyed, hope this helped convince you a little bit more to acquire the shoe. Thanks for watching, and peace.
She wants your name and yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you go and do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot.